much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing. Pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing.
Hello, everybody. Okay. I had some ideas about how to change this horrible. It's really an horrible song. I know, because I cannot sing basically. Uh, Only in the center of Europe, somebody said, "Hey, you don't sing that bad." In Italy, the comments are not so nice. But this was a song that I designed myself because of revenge. Since in the past I used to work and study at the same time and taking care of my home. Um, uh, I put a lot of effort in everything that I did, and I was very energetic before being ill. And as soon as I was weak and without job, every time they say to me, you are living on social help, you are not productive person. And especially somebody like the unnamed man later on put a lot of effort in try to destroy me. So I wanted to joke and make him mad. It was more than a defensive. It was a psychological attack that I designed, and I thought I create a stupid song, and my voice is horrible, as you may know. That's nature, because I'm not trained first of all, and my voice is natural, very low. So as soon as I go high with the voice, I destroy everything. Um, and I did on purpose, of course, because I'm sick and tired that every time that I have problems, um, I'm already angry because I don't have money. Plus, people come and say, "You are a user, you are abuser of the system, you are abuser of the German system." The funny thing is that German people never say anything about that. They never complain. Because actually, when I work, I pay the taxes. And I will be happy to pay a lot of German taxes, because if you pay a lot of taxes, it means that you are rich. So I would be happy to pay. With my money, they can renovate school. They can do everything they want. They can support women who were beaten from the bad husband. Whatever. I don't care. So that's the first thing I wanted to say. I'm planning to change this song into something else, which I can sing a little bit better. Okay, consider my standard is low standard is very easy, which is the song Que Sera, which is not Italian, is Spanish, and it goes like Que sera, sera, whatever will be, the future's on hard to see. Que sera, sera. So that's possible to tolerate. I hope. And it's acceptance. I accept my destiny. Although, well, in the past I consider it completely unfair. It seems that I have to pay for somebody from the previous life. And I also make some. Since I'm a very curious person, I try to understand what has happened in the previous life. It seems that 2 lives ago, I was a soldier that went to war because of money. So when I won the war, I used to do whatever I wanted with women, which is why generally I have one um, girlfriend, um, and I don't have any friends as women. But I say hello, hello to this person, and I hope that the situation change. But I'm not rushing into friendship. I need time. 25, 30 years and we can become friends. I don't know, really, I don't like this word. I prefer to say I like you, I love you, whatever, but the word, yeah, you are my friend, gives me some allergy. Anyhow, hello to all the world. We are just 3 people. I hope somebody is going to come soon. I wake up with a very big headache, which I don't have generally. So I was shocked. My eyes were little. And right now I still have a headache with for no reasons whatsoever. I'm thinking that I'm getting ill. I feel it. I'm brewing something somewhere. Somewhere over the rainbow. So, and I don't know, I'm thinking about doing that. I have to ask a friend. So, in Iran, women are protesting dancing in public because it's forbidden. But they cannot even sing, so... My god, how can they live? So, anyhow... Ooh, 190 reactions, not that bad. I'm checking in LinkedIn because I check everything. I try to check everything. Everything should be under my control. 4 people. Please write me something. Don't be shy. Because it's people that I don't know. Then I start to become paranoid. Anyhow, so yesterday I wanted to check if I know string in Python. Hello, Cerebro! Yesterday I was trying to learn Wordy. It didn't work because I use eval, which is a function developed to do something very cool. If you have the string in which is written 1 plus 1, 1 plus PL US 1, you change it and then you can calculate the result. But in Wordy, I tried. I was cheating and betray, and I was very unloyal. I'm a very loyal, unloyal people. When I cheat, I say it. It didn't work for hours. And then I said, would be time to surrender. So when I see the solution, it was commented because it seems to be a very easy exercise, but it's not, according to me at least. And the first sentence was, yes, using eval can be useful sometimes, but it's a very dangerous approach in this with this exercise. Okay, I'm reliable. You can trust me. I mean, I'm reliable. You can trust me. I choose every time the wrong path, and then I suffer the consequences. So he has explained everything, and I was trying to read and understand, but before learning it very well, it will take another week. So I had another idea. I went to the exercise open brackets and close brackets, which is very easy. You have to check if every bracket that is open would be closed. It doesn't matter which type of brackets. Since okay, wait a second. Should be brackets, brace, or parentheses. It doesn't matter. They have to be open and close in a rational way. Which means whatever you open, you must close. This exercise, I was checking online if there are any clues, and there was a similar solution, not really the same. I changed something, and then I try to solve it. Sorry, to solve it, and it works. So let me change a few things, and we are free to start. Really free to start. Yes, I have everything written, so very good. We go back. The explanation, where is the explanation? Okay, the explanation is very short. And please, Cerebro, if you have time, can you write hello, so I know that everything is working correctly? Please. Introductions. I make it bigger for people that are like me with problem to read. Instruction. Given a string contains brackets, brace, parentheses. So I need to remember. So brackets, it's what in German they call eckige Klammer, and then brace and parentheses. Okay. Or any combination thereof. Verify that any and all pairs are matched and nested correctly. The string may also contain other characters, which for the purpose of this exercise should be ignored. So we are looking just about parentheses. Okay, I delete everything. Sorry, it's already a mistake. I come back to small because I guess okay, somewhere it's define a function that receive an input string and we pass it. First of all, what we need to do is write open list and close list. That helps us to check our brace, bracket, and parentheses. So, open list. It's a list, and I don't have to have the check keyboards as usual. I don't know. Okay. It's a list, and we have to define whatever it's open. So this one it's open, please, just one, not two. Comma. Then we have parentheses. Oh, what a nice guy! It opens automatically and close. Comma. And open. Okay, everything is open in here. Okay, and close list. So now I need to close everything. I need to close everything. Close. Okay, let's see if there are any mistakes, because I don't trust. Okay, it works. Okay, test fails, but it's normal. And we have started to make our things. Holle. We need to reverse this string. We write inside the string, and then we go from -1 till the end. And you will see, you receive hello, probably, if I'm not wrong. Anyhow, welcome, Cerebro. We love you. Also, my grandmother loves you. I receive also a point, and they come on a payment day. So let's go back to my lovely Python. So we have this function that receives as parameter an input list, input string. Sorry, we create stack, which is a list in which we are going to add something. We are going to append something in the future. So we check everything that is inside the input string, and what we can do is use a for brackets bracket in input string. So we check it everything, and somewhere down the line here I can use, for example, this example. We receive as input string, we receive this one. Sorry, I need, thank you, this one. So this would be a correct situation in which you open and you close a now I don't know, brackets or brace or whatever it's called, or parentheses. Anyhow, it would be correct because it opens and it closes. So I check. It can be possible. There are two possible situations. This bracket is contained in the open or in the close list, because it opens or it's something that closes. So let's see the first situation in which it opens. If bracket in open list. Is it in the open list? Yes, it is. So if it's in open list, we have to append into stack. So we say bracket append in stack, which is our fantastic stack here. So as a result, here we have stack, which is not void anymore. It has something inside, which is our beautiful open brackets. Not close, don't cheat. He's more a cheater than me. So this one, this just like this. So we finish this situation. We have the opposite situation because this bracket can be inside the closed list. So it would be Annalif bracket in close list. Good. So we have to save this position. So we call it pose, like position, and we go like where is this bracket inside the closed list. And we can use index, which is a method that can help us. So we are in closed list, which we can already write. Then we have this method that is index, as I said, and we have to see where is bracket. So I write bracket. Sorry if I could write. Good. Then we have to make another check, because checking is our precious thing. But before, I want to see where is this, how much it is this pose. Close list index bracket. Close list index bracket. We don't have it because we are in the first example and we didn't enter in this one. We would have if it would be this part that is closed. I can use another example afterwards, no worry. In this case, I have to check and make another check with if, and I would need to control the length of stack. If it's bigger than 0, sorry, it would be nice if you work. Thank you. And I can write it here, also here. And I need to see something a little bit more complicated. And we need to find, for example, an example like this, like in unpair brackets. So this would be the situation for pair bracket, and position, no position, and I need to go to unpair brackets. So your input that you receive per brackets is, for example, this one. Input. If all the patient in this world, I'm not a patient person. Okay, you see they are impaired because they open just. So we create in this situation the stack. So we have our stack that is void at the beginning. Then we have, oh, I need to make it like this also, because Python is very sensitive. But maybe I can leave. So you can see this is unpair brackets, this is pair brackets. So you see state is void. For brackets in input string, okay. If brackets it's open list, it is It's open, and then we yes, it's an open list. The only thing is that yes, we can copy this one and it adds it. Probably I needed something. Okay. It's not in closed list. Oh wow, that's my problem. I should wrong closing list. Okay. Need wrong ordered brackets. This one is true, true, false, false, but it's not as unfair as I want it. Special open brackets, simpleness brackets. Open closing brackets. Yesterday I found this example immediately, and that's the great things of being live. You don't find things that you have found yesterday. Great. Just a second. What was this example yesterday? Okay, both open brackets. Okay. No, I'm right. It was this example, the ampere brackets that I show you. So we have everything inside this stack. So we said the length of stack is bigger than 1. In this case, we have the brackets bigger than 1, but it's not in closed list, because actually they open everything. We have, but in this case, this is the first iteration. First iteration. And we have and open list with pause would be stack len stack -1. Is everything open and close? In this case, yes. If I go like this, I need to add 1 bracket more. So, in the second iteration, in here, you will have the close parentheses. So, you would be in this situation. And second iteration, I want to see if I understood it. Second iteration. So there is no guarantee, people. Don't do what I'm doing. Wow, I come back here because I bracket append stack. Bracket append bracket. Sorry. Thank you for saying that. Sorry. I say something and I do something else. Thank you. And I don't see what you are reading. Okay, now thank you for the correction. Second iteration. We have something that close. So what we have is this string. So it close. Okay, we are here. Is in close because it's this one. This position in close list for brackets is position 0. Oops. Come back to live, please. So it's the position 0, and the length of stack is 0 because, oh no, it's 1 because I already add, wait a second, I already add, length stack is bigger than 1, and this, no, it's 1 is bigger than 0. So the first condition is done because len stack is 1, and open list position and open list position come back to live, please. Open list position is equal, we have at the same, oh, sorry, open list position, shit, open list position is the first, but if it's closed list, it's difficult. Open list position, this position is 0. The position of open list position is this one. Would be, we have this one as a result. Should be equal to stack length stack minus 1. Hehe. Let's see what does it mean, this one. Stack length stack. Oh shit. Stack, the length stack would be length stack okay, something is explode, okay, inside my house. Length stack, we have just 1, so would be 1 minus 1. You have as result in stack we added this one, so you would have this one like this one, that's true. And we can see what they're designed to do, these people. They say stack pop. Stack is something that deletes something else and gives you back and print it back. So would be something that they deleted. If not, this genius decided that you can return false. And then, of course, you have the case in which you can receive the void. For example, you don't receive anything. This one. You don't receive anything and should be okay, because if you don't have parentheses nor brackets nor parentheses, brackets and brace, it's not dangerous. If length stuck. If you don't have, we have anything, and if there is nothing open, stuck would go like this. We close team, but we don't even open them. Queen, so great. And we return true. Otherwise, it's false. And I hope this grating is going to work. I hope. Otherwise, I'm fucked. Okay, 3. String has not a root append. Okay, string has not at the root append. Would be stuck. Would be stuck append brackets. I managed to make 2 mistakes in one line. Nice. So if you open and you close would be true, and I say that is false, and it gets angry. But wait a second, I can cheat as usual. Being an honest cheater, I'm an honest cheater. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what I did wrong. Bracket in input string, if bracket append bracket, stuck bracket in close list, pause. And open pause, stuck pop else, return false. Okay, my typical mistake, because that's genius of me. So I need to go out because it's at the end of the day it's void. I guess so. It would be less angry probably, or more angry. It's more angry. Fantastic. Let me check again. Cheating is my life. First stuck for stuck, if goes in close list, pause. Okay, stuck. Stuck is not defined. Haha. Sure, it's a type of mine. Here you are. That's right, written stuck. And he said sweet. Can remove everything. I don't know how to write. Great. Great of me. So yesterday I had fun with this stack. Thank you, Cerebro, for the correcting me. I didn't see you. It's not that I don't care about what you say, because it's written down and I have to look at here in this direction, because it's the bigger screen. Probably I would need one day to change the configuration in here. With this excuse I can ask for money. Hello, no problem. 8 people. What has happened today? People has arrived? I'm so happy. No problem. Zero, you know, you are one of, let's say, the best Java guy I ever met. You never get, it seems at least you never get angry. Probably when you see me making mistakes or today I need to learn to write stuck with CK thousands of times, like in elementary school, um, because I'm the best about typos. So yesterday I found something similar and I adapted it. And I was trying to understand it with practical example. I don't know if it's a good way to learn, but that's what I did. Um, so and I don't know today. Today, have you got time? Have you got time today to, I don't know, to have fun with me? If you are angry at somebody, you can use just your sadistic feeling. And before starting that, I let you think. I let you 2 minutes think about something that. Oh, sorry, I put some commercial. No, don't do it. I'm writing a new question for you. No time today. Big deadline at work this evening. Okay, okay, okay. Mm. Next time, next time. Um, should I sing? Ah, should I sing? Che sarà? Che sarà? Should I see? From Doris Day. Sure. No. It would be better. Que sera, they say this is one of the few songs that I can sing without making you mad. So it would not damage your nervous system. No, do not sing at all. Yes, please. Let's see. You have 2 minutes to vote. Please vote. For whoever has come here for us first, I solve one exercise per day with Python, and then I check what would be the exercise for the next day. Sometimes I'm loyal, sometimes I'm not, because I'm just a beginner, I'm learning. So sometimes I say, I can solve this exercise, and then I discover that there is something very complicated and it goes for the future. And I solve something else, or I solve something with your help. So I'm learning. The point that I want to show is that if I can do it a little bit, one exercise a day is nothing. Everybody can, so it's just encouragement. What I am doing is using this fantastic website, which I hope you are going to see in a few minutes. It's called Exercism, and there are a lot of exercise in almost in many, not every, programming language. You have, wow, all of these. And they are working hard, according to me. It must be a lot of work. So if they want to survive this year, they need some funds. And since I'm very poor, I don't pay them, but I would like to do it because they are very nice. And if you have any troubles, you can ask also for mentoring. And when you reach, for example, a goal, you can have slot open more. Since I need to reach 500 exercise, the next slot would be very far in the future, but I have 3 possibilities. And this is my situation. I'm just 38%, but it means 52 exercise solved because there are 137 exercise. So now that I solved the first exercise per day, I'm thinking what to do next time. And probably if everything is going to be okay next week, I'm going to cooperate with Memo Twitch, sorry, but I'm terrible with the names. And he's going to maybe help me with my troubles, because the worst thing for me um, in Clojure, it would be better, okay, it would be better. Yes, the song that I have in the first part is terrible, I know, but I did out of revenge, because of I wanted to have a little bit revenge. Thank you for voting. So, coming back to Python, I had major trouble in the OOP, object-oriented programming from Python, because I started with Clojure, which is a functional programming language, and it works a lot with recursion, and this has completely other ideas or concepts. And I also did a little bit of C sharp, but it was in the school. The school, if you go to Google and you check my school, you will see that it's very bad. People complain a lot, people criticize the school, and the first teacher was very bad, and at the beginning, yes, our results were terrible. We reached something like, on average, almost nobody receive a good mark, which is at least 4. 4 is the minimum to pass the exam, or to pass the test. And I received 5 minus, which is horrible. But then I had a better teacher, so I could understand something. But I have a very confused mind, because Clojure is something, and this programming language is completely something else. So it's difficult, but we are here to learn, and I would like to show you what I would like to do tomorrow. I don't know if tomorrow I'm going to stream, because people don't follow me during the weekends. It's something that you do during um, like the weekdays. Oh, my headache is killing me. And yes, I'm a little bit torn about this. But if somebody is going to tell me, tomorrow I am there, I will try. Anyhow, it's not bad, because during the weekend I can tackle something very difficult, and I have more time, and I can present during the week and keep my track, because I want to be as consistent as I can. And yeah, sometimes I have to check the same exercise 6 times, since it's difficult, and then I make stupid mistake. I can't watch during the weekends. Yes, that's the trouble that I have. But I can decide maybe during Monday to have a longer programming part, and yeah, um, maybe show 2 exercises instead of 1, or 3 exercises, depends on how lucky I am. How good I was during the weekends. This is an experiment, and in my mind, according to my plan, which are always destroyed by the reality, I would like to keep going with Python till the end, and then start it from the beginning, and really started from the first string, whatever. In the meantime, that I will solve these things that I have already solved, maybe I will start to learn Java, because in here in Exercism there is also Java, and I see that it's very used. I check, since I'm very materialistic person, I check what are the major programming language in this world, what people need more, and I've seen, at least later, there is JavaScript, Python, and Java. I think it's in the third place, but I can't check it again because my memory is bad. Most used programming languages 2023. Okay, JavaScript, Python. No, Go is the third place, but Java is fourth place. Then we have Kotlin, PHP, C Sharp, and Swift. Oh, God. You need a really good grasp of EOP for proper Java. I hope they explain it better in that track. Yes, I have a headache already to think about it. I don't know. I feel sometimes I don't understand what they want to say us, but I don't want to complain. I know that it's all done by volunteer people, and they are having financial troubles, which I can really understand. Trust me, if you have problem with money, come to Alessandra and you can speak. We will cry together. I don't know how to solve your problems, but I keep thinking how to make this channel grow. And today there were even 8 people, which is almost like a miracle. I don't want to make any illusion to myself, but thank you. Keep staying here, please. And wait a second, I have to repair my nails. They are in terrible situation. I'm not a fan of nails per se, but it's a way to check my disease, because one of the symptoms is that you destroy your nails. So when my nails are growing up, I say yes, 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 yes. For example, sorry, it's not that cool, but if you see my hands, this nail that I'm painting is shorter than the others, which means it has broken, and it's one of the bad parts of it. That's almost over. I love this blue. So what I wanted to do tomorrow, I cannot promise you, is an exercise called Resistor Trio. I guess it's the name. I was trying to do it yesterday, and the good news is one test worked. The bad news is there are other 24 that do not work, which is bad, but I'm trying to investigate it during this weekend. If you don't see me tomorrow, it means that that I lost, that I was dying during the night checking how to do it. But I hope I will see, I will find somewhere some people that can help me in this exorcism. We are going to be very good Ghostbusters. Okay, I hope I can win also again. This one, Resistor Color Trio. is this exercise which say to us, if you want to build something using a, a Raspberry Pi, you will probably use resistors. For this exercise, you need to know only three things about them. Each resistor has a resistance value. Resistors are small, so small in fact that if you print the resistance value of them, it would be hard to read. Okay. To get around this problem, manufacturers print color code brands on a resistor that denotes their resistance value. So if they print black, it means 0. 0 ohm. Each band acts as a digit of a number. For example, if they print a brown band value 1 followed by a green band value 15, it means 15 ohms. It would be translated into the number 15. This exercise you are going to create a helpful problem so that you don't have to remember the values of the band. The program will take three colors as input and outputs the correct value in ohm. The bands are encoded as follows: blank resistor color duo. You decoded the first two colors. For instance, orange, 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 orange would be 3 and 3, 33. You got the main value 33, correct. The third color stands for how many zeros need to be added to the main value. So 330. The main value plus the 0 give us a value in ohms. For this exercise, it doesn't matter how many ohms really are. For example, orange, orange, black. Wait a second. Orange, orange, black, 330. And no 0 would be 33 and no 0, which becomes 33 ohms. Orange, orange, red would be 20. Haha, would be 20. Okay. And no 0. Okay, it means this black means 0, number of 0. Okay. And 2 zeros, so you have 3 orange, 33, and 2 0, 3,300 ohms. Yes. Orange, 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 orange. 33 and 3 0, so it would be 33,000 ohm. If math is your thing, you may want to think of 0 as exponential of 10. If that is not your thing, you go with the zeros. It's rare. It really is the same thing, just in plain English. Understand of math lingo. This exercise is about translating the colors into label. So if you put orange, orange, black, should return 33 ohms. When you get a larger resistor, a metric prefix, which I don't know what does it mean, please. Is unit prefix that precedes a basic number of measure. Indicates a multiple submultiple of the unit. Okay. Okay, so it would be giga, mega, kilo if you go for very big stuff. Is used to indicate a larger magnitude of ohms, such as kilo ohms for a similar same 2 kilometers instead of 2000 meters, or 2 kilograms for 2000 grams. For example, an input of orange, 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 which was this one, 33,000 would be 33 kilo ohms. Okay. The source are these three CDs. And yeah, I will probably check how it works and then I will be desperate for a while. Time to go. See you next week. Sorry I didn't see you. Bye bye. So, people, if you wait for me a second, I need to go to the bathroom. 1 second, and I will be back. I'm coming back. See you, Cerebro, by the way. So I'm back. Here I am. Thank you for coming by. Ooh. I'm feeling better. So one thing that I can do right now is checking where this residual core belongs to, which kind of concept I can learn better in order to solve this. It's about, not about set, was probably list method. So I know that I need to learn more about list method. And one way would be to go where the first exercise I explained. Wow. That unlock 65 exercise. And check a little bit more about lists. You can insert things to list in insert a position. You can append, which will go at the last position. You can extend numbers, extend other numbers. So you would have the two of them together. Removing items, you remove the items in us, and you remove the number 2 in this case. Okay. Pop, you remove something and you give it back what you have removed. If you don't remove anything, if you remove this one, it would be considered the number 3, so the last in the list. If you clear, you clear the list. Reverse You can sort a list in alphabetic number, and you can sort it in not in the opposite of the alphabetic number. Okay. You can sort in a readable. So to copy. Okay. You can count how many times there is something inside a list, and you can find an items in the list using index. So you find the 4, which is in position 1, because we start with 0, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can check name index. Tina. Certain indicates can also be provided in a narrow search specify a list. Okay. From position to 0, 1, 2. So we start here, go like 3, 4, 5. Name things it's Tina. And Tina is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, position 3. And Tina, yes, first one is in position 0. Okay. I hope it is a good idea to say what I have already learned again. Here I am. Okay. So for today, maybe I can go and check whoever I may help. Whoever I may help with my raid. Because there are just 3 people and I'm feeling alone. But if somebody else comes, I will maybe play with you, make a little bit quiz or whatever. Wonderful. Okay, maybe this one. Maybe, why not? Okay. I'm going to raid. Oh, no. Even one guy less. So it's time to go before everybody disappear. Ciao.